Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play guitar rhythm using the chord progressions of G, C, and D, and also D7. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation, just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. So let's get started. Okay, in this video lesson, I'll be using guitar jam track number 5. That's in my playlist. You can look at that. I'll be using the chords of G major, C major, D major, and D7. Okay, but not necessarily in that order. So this is the chord progression I'll be using. It's also provided in the guitar jam track number 5. Okay, we'll be playing through 2 measures of G, 1 measure of C and D, and then the second line, 2 measures of G, and then 1 measure of D, and back to C. And then again, like the first line, 2 measures of G, then 1 measure of C and D, and then the last line, G major, one measure, 1 measure of D major, back to G, and then we'll end with D7. We'll play this through about 4 times, okay? Okay, this rhythm is played in full 4 time, and the strumming pattern I'll be using is just a down up strumming pattern, but it'll go like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so I'll play it through 1 time. G, C, D7, and then it just simply repeats 4 times. So let's listen to it using the jam track number 5. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed using this jam track number 5 and learning this simple chord progression. Be sure and check out my other guitar rhythm chord progressions using guitar jam tracks that's in my playlist. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more like this, just be sure and hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmark my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.